Hey, good morning. This is Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today we're on board a brand new 2025 MJM 4. We're going to do a great courtesy walkthrough for you. Joe Jackson on the MJM 4. What I really like is when you step on board the boat, you have dual entrances, nice big wide platform, people of all ages, easier to get on and off the boat here. You can see a nice walk-through transom. You also have a nice side transom here. Beautiful door that you can shut and lock. Lots of storage areas here on the back of the boat. What I will say is this boat has twin 7.6 liter Mercury 600 V12 engines. It is the new style engine with joystick power, lower unit swivels, just state-of-the-art engine pack. This boat has the gray package interior. It has a optional table that will go there as well. Plenty of storage. And as you see, only like an MJM, it's completely finished out, rubber seals, very, very well, high quality boat. On this side, on the starboard side, you have your summer kitchen, your grill is here, and plenty of storage here for lots of items here. Underneath this, you have a switch. This whole section here opens up, and you have a step down with tons of storage. Look at all the storage you have. When you get the outboard power, you have so much storage bin and access to all of your stuff on the back of the boat. And we're sitting here cruising along at 3 miles an hour on autopilot and sitting here having this conversation. You cannot hear those engines, are so quiet. Right here, as you go into the entrance to the pilot house, you have access to your quick gyro system, batteries, tons of storage on the side here, all of your electrical stuff. Everything is super labeled. For anybody that's a boater will really appreciate the way everything is set out. Battery chargers, freshwater pumps, strainers, everything is set up nicely in this boat. Refrigerator here. You have some charging stations. And then it's got the glass here for the isinglass. You can get an optional glass door on this boat as well. So you have we're here in the Carolinas, we like to have the canvas off and have a little bit more air, but the whole pilot house that I'm getting ready to enter is climate controlled, cockpit air and heat. So now I'm standing in the pilot house of the MJM 4, and what you see on this boat is just how wide this pilot house is. So when you have the walkthrough to get up to the bow and to the stern, they can push this side out an extra foot on each side. So it just gives you tons of room in here. Nice galley, TV that comes up here. You have your twin induction stove system here. You got a convection oven here. Fridges and freezers all right here together. Keep your drinks and everything set up. Plenty of storage here too. Nice, beautiful wooden cabinetry on this boat. Lots of storage here. Again, another table base. So you got a table in the back, table here, table up in the bow area. Lighting here, so you have the lights. You have a GFI outlet system here. And then of course your switches are right here, easy to get to. But lots of drawer spaces, air conditioned. So you got a 36,000 BTU air and heat system on this particular boat. Now I'm standing here at the helm on this beautiful MJM 4, and you can see just a fantastic dash layout here. It's just really nice, user-friendly. You got your tabs here. You got a pair of nice Garmin 16-inch units here in front of you. Radar plotter, GPS, sonar, all that stuff. It's got night vision on this particular boat as well. In the middle, you've got your Mercury SmartCraft system here. It's going to give you all your engine data. Right here you have your bow thruster, so the complementary bow thruster to help you out in those tight docking situations. Here is your quick control. That's your Seakeeper. Gives you all your information on the gyro once it's spooled up. This is your joystick for your Mercury 600s, and this one has, I've got it right now set on autopilot. You have skyhook mode, which will hover. And then autopilot set up here. I can move the controls here. I can do 10 degrees or 1 degree just by touching it. So now we're down in the cabin of the MJM 4. Beautiful woodwork on this boat. You can look at the flooring, the side panels here, the doors, the trims, the casings, even around the TV. So you have access in the very front. I'll start up in the very front here. Access to the windlass, access to the bow thruster. Then this backrest here is great if you're watching TV. You can lay that down. Then you got a big, nice bed, almost queen size. You've got fans, you've got power outlets and charging stations, but you can see all the beautiful cabinetry here. Underneath, you have a nice double mid-berth under there. You got your shore power panel right here. As you come down the steps on the starboard side, everything is accessible right here. Easy for the captain to get to, easy for somebody down here to get to. But everything is easy. You got your temperature here for your air and heat. Then you've got inside here, you have a nice separate shower, head, lots of storage in here as well. So nice separate head, 13.5 gallon hot water tank as well. But you can see everything here, rubber seals. Nice door, just like a really nice car door. Grab handles, big wide steps. It makes it easy to get in and out of this boat. Now we're up on the bow of the beautiful MJM 4, and there's a lot of really cool things on this boat. So when you do have the walk-through, you have access up here. You can get to your cleats. You can open and shut the window from out front or in the back in the cockpit at the helm. You have access here, the window ventilation. But big wide area to come up. So this particular boat, I've already got the sun pad set down. You can take that out. You can have a table up as well. You got removable cup holders here that slide around. You can put them any position you want. You have your windlass controls with your foot controls up on the bow. It's got a nice flagpole up on the bow and your cleats, but your cleats are so accessible. This being all non-skid makes it super nice to jump up, slide over there, grab a line on or throw out a fender on that side. You've also accessed them both right outside the windows. So very nice bow layout. Comes with a cover as well, so you can store it. And the only thing basically that's visible would be your fiberglass, which is easy to wash off. Again, this is Joe Jackson with MarineMax, thanking you for joining me today on the walkthrough through the 2025 MJM 4. If you need more information, contact us at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach at 910-256-8100. Thank you for joining me.